My name is Joseph Dadacha. I am the Senior Assistant Director in charge of Central Rift Conservation Area of KWS. Over the last 2 months, we have been able to intercept 2,074 kilograms of fish. We have arrested 40 suspects. We have destroyed more than 300 fishing nets that were set in the lake, and also arrested 2 motorbikes and 2 vehicles that have been used in the illegal fishing transport in the illegal fishing business. What has been very, very clearly established is that the fish in Lake Nakuru is not fit for human consumption. Research findings that were undertaken through research by Kemfree, research by WRTI, have established that the fish have high levels of toxic chemicals.
Sampling has been done on the fish itself. The results indicate that the fish has got high toxicity. Toxicity means high levels of chemicals. And in this case, I'm talking of chemicals called organochlorine pesticides. These results indicates that under all circumstances, the fish from Lake Nakuru is not fit.
I want to sound a very clear warning to all those involved in this illegal fishing business in Lake Nakuru, that we will not leave any stone unturned. We are very determined to stamp out and enforce the law as much as possible. They'll be charged for illegal entry into a national park. They'll be charged for illegal extraction of fish resources, and also they'll be charged for engaging in illegal fish trade.